Hi everyone, this is my 2023 Indian Scout Rogue. I'm planning on changing the shocks, rear shocks, and I'm planning on changing the horn. Horn's down here. Anyway, just to get a little advantage of before I take the horn off, let's see what it sounds like. Let's see what we sound like. Again. All right, so anyway, that's what it sounds like. The new horn is this one, and let's see how we do. It'll be a little louder, more decibels, easy to mount. And my new shocks, by the way. Let's see. Get this out. Oh yeah. There's some booties there. Anyway. All right, well, I'm gonna continue in a little bit, start working on it, and we'll see the final. All right, thanks. Peace, see you in a little bit.